What's going on YouTube? Mike Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Tonight, I feel horrible for what's going on geopolitically, what's going on with Russia and Ukraine. I feel horrible that there is war abound. But I will tell you, I am making a ton of money shorting right now. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I'm getting so tired of these crypto clowns on YouTube giving people flat out shitty information and shitty advice and saying not financial advice. I get it. I say the same thing. Obviously not a financial advisor and not financial advice. Guys, please, if you don't look at anything else that I do or don't watch any more of this video, just know anybody telling you that the bottom is in or the bottom is close or this is some huge news, the price is about to flip, there's bullish sentiment somewhere. There was somebody this morning running in her crypto video about how Bitcoin is up and altcoins are going to follow. This could be the move. And I literally went, checked the chart and looked and said, this bitch is talking about a bear flag. This bitch is getting people excited about a bear flag. You know what I did? I shorted the market after I saw her video. And this is what you get. You have a bearish divergence, or a hidden bearish divergence. Excuse me, let me make sure to phrase that properly. A hidden bearish divergence. You have a peak high and a lower peak high with a peak high RSI and a higher peak high RSI. A hidden bearish divergence tells you that the bearish momentum is not done, that this peak will not last, and that the pressure will remain going down. So this is Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, and you see this rise up. This was all stuck within this little channel here, and this is a bear flag. Don't get excited over a bear flag, people. And look, 21 smooth moving average. People, I implore you, please try it. Just try it with smooth moving averages. You will be astounded by how much better crypto price will respect the smooth moving averages. Look at this, 21 period on the 4-hour, rejected, long wick rejection, inverse hammer, shooting star, whatever you want to call it. Short position here at the end of this 4-hour candle, and then boom, you're in profit, you're done. 3 4-hour candles, 12 hours later. Trades I actually didn't make today, same thing. Look at that, rising within a wedge, and you have a hidden bearish divergence. You have an engulfing candle down, rejection off the 21 period moving average, smooth moving average, and you get this bearish engulfing, and you take the short position at the start of this candle, and you're out 3 candles later at a 66.8% profit on 10x leverage. PYR, same move. I just didn't draw the. By this point, I saw them all, and I'm like, hey, I could do this, I could short this, I could short that, I could short that, I could short that. Everything was making a very similar pattern to Bitcoin that people were getting excited about because the market was going up. And no. Break moving averages first, break the big downward trend line, get into bullish momentum, get into actual bullish momentum, and then we can start to talk. But until that point, your only look right now for the majority of coins should be to short. Rejection, bearish engulfing, enter the next candle. 3 hours later, 133% profit. And if I had more funds to do it, if I wasn't trading simply on the challenge account, look at that, Matic would have done the same thing. I just put this one together just to say, if I would have taken all these positions, when would they have cashed out? 10, that would have been 100% profit in 3 hours, or 3 4-hour candles. Mana, look at that. And then Mana, here you go, even more confluence. Mana rejected on the 21, and it rejected on the neckline of the double top. So came out top, neckline, double top, neckline, tried to come back up, rejected off the neckline in the 21, and then dove. That's another, this one, you get off this rejection, you get this candle here, and then 3 candles. Again, everything moves the same way in the 12-hour period. 10% here, or even just going down to this next support resistance line, 8.5%, that's at 85% short, 85%. Look at the charts. Plan this shit out. It is not hard to do once you know what you're looking at. Look for confluences. Get multiple confluences together to get into a trade. Hit your bearish or hidden bearish divergence. Hit your rejection off of a support resistance line or a rejection off of a moving average, or both. Better yet, get both. Get both of those rejections, plus a hidden bearish, plus a bearish engulfing candle, or a long wick rejection. You get that reversal candle. You get the long wick shooting star, or you get a bearish engulfing. That's the move that will give you the most success. And I will be 100% honest with you. You can look back at the start of this trading challenge and know that I lost 3 out of my first 5, with my first being a break-even 0, which actually I lost like 1 or 2% because of the exchange fee. So I lost like 1% on that anyway. 11% down, 26 up, 15, 26. So I was down right from the jump. So when I started to win trades, I was starting, instead of starting at $200, I started at like 160, 175, and had to build back up, like get back to 0 first, and then start getting into profit. So once I honed in exactly what it was I wanted to do, hidden bearish divergent, rejection of trend line, hidden bearish divergence, followed by bearish divergence, double top, and bearish wedge retest. Bearish break of support line, rejection from downtrend line. Hidden bearish divergence, double top off support, and this one, or double bottom off support. This was a long I took last night, and I closed it today because I did not like the resistance concerns, and it did not have a strong confluence. And I closed it in a very small, like a 24% profit. So not a small profit, but small considering what I had been doing on the 4-hour candles to have longer term holds or longer term positions. So closed that very early on Link. I said, I'm out. I don't like the way any of this stuff is looking. The whole market's looking this way. And I don't see Link being so contrarian that it will continue to go up while everything else I'm shorting. So I stopped that trade. Rejection moving average, bearish divergence. Rejection moving average, bearish divergence. Bearish engulfing candle. So look guys, that's all you need to do. You need to find confluences. Get at least 3 things moving in your direction. Get at least 3 things. Get a rejection of a support resistance line or a moving average, or both if you can get it. Get a bearish engulfing candle or a long wick candle, a long wick rejection. Have a bearish or hidden bearish divergence, and your odds of winning a trade go up exponentially. Trust me, there are friends who are doing this trading challenge with me. And Roger, if you're watching, leave a comment. Let them know how many coins you've accumulated during this challenge and how much your trading win rate has gone up following this channel and following this trading technique. Guys, I've got no more to go over. I hope you watched this video. I hope you enjoyed, and please, for the love of God, don't follow Moon Boy hype boys that will tell you that the price is getting ready to go up, because this invasion has caused a bottom in crypto. Crypto is not done. Your 401k is not done. The stock market is not done. Everything's going to continue going down. The best thing you can do is move your 401k into low risk bonds or some shit. So with that being said, that's it. The video is actually over now. As always, until next time, peace.